Hey guys, so I have to be quiet again because my husband is in the other room working, but I did film with this guy, if it'll focus. I'm gonna have to put music over this because I can hear my husband talking, so sorry guys. So this is what I did. It's pretty cute. I almost messed up my eyeliner when I was putting my eyelashes on, so that was a little frustrating. I did get a few new palettes. I got the Truly Madly Deeply from ColourPop. I got the X's and O's from ColourPop. I got this Rosé All Play from Physicians Formula. I actually saw a girl that I follow on YouTube use it, so that's why I wanted to try it out. And I found this at Walmart, and I want to try it. Let's see if I can get it without the lights reflecting. It does, but I thought it was pretty cool. Like, yeah. We'll see. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here quickly so that I don't pick my husband up on my microphone while he's on a call, so I can hear him talking right now. I'll see you guys later.